Hello. Today we're going to be looking at fundamental counting principle. We're going to say, for the first question, that you're in charge of city transportation for Upper Arlington. We need to draw out a map and figure out how many different distinguishable ways someone can travel from a point P to a point Q if they're always making progress towards point Q. So we're going to draw a map where we have P right here at point P. Actually, we'll put point P right here. And Q, point Q, right here. We're going to start with three different ways off of P. P right here. And we're going to call this, let's say, A. And we're going to draw right here. And we'll call this point C. And then we're going to go here. And we'll call this point F. That's a P, not an F. Now let's start from P to A. There's one way to get from P to A. So let's draw right 1. Then we'll go A to B. Let's just say B. There's also one way to get from A to B. And let's just make it fun. Let's do this here. And we'll say B to Q has two different ways. So we'll have 2 right here. Now let's go for the P to C path. Let's draw that out. Let's just have some fun and say, well, C goes to D, obviously, but we'll say 1. Actually, let me move this. 2, 3 paths. So we have P to C is 1 as well. Then we have 3 right here. Then let's say, let me move this point D. Go point to point E, and we'll make that 2. And then finally, we will go to point Q, and that is 1. And finally, we have P to F. Let's actually make this different, and we'll put a second path to F, which means we start off with 2. And, whoa, to make this easy, we'll just go straight. That's not a very good line. Not a very good line either. We'll go straight to Q, where we have one option. So now that we drew out that map together, we can calculate. We can say we have one option here, and 2 options right here. So 1 times 1 times 2. Then we're going to add that to one option here, 3 different options here, 2 different options here, and 1 different option here. So we have 1, oh, that's a 2. 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. And finally, we add 2 options here and 1 option here. That is 2 times 1. And that, all added up and multiplied together, is 10, which means there's 10 different ways to go from P to Q. And there you go. I certainly hope this helped. Bye.